Welcome for another Mold Maker Minute with Zero Tolerance. Today we're just going to talk about something very basic but super important. I've got an engineering change and a repair being done, and they have to be welded. So one thing I recommend you understand is what the differences in the welds are, what kind of welds, like TIG weld, laser weld, micro welding. And then also where the area is that you need to weld, how critical it is, and if it can have any sink allowed at all. Typically the cheapest way to do it is TIG welding for molds, but what we found is they can do a lot of TIG welding and then cap the edge with laser weld to eliminate sink in certain areas. So I'm going to show you 3 different areas that we're getting welded today, and at ALWS they do a fantastic job for us. This came in from the customer damaged. It's 420 stainless. The smallest little dent right there, we got to get it just laser welded, super tiny, and then we're going to be able to polish that back in. In a small area down here, you can barely see it, but this shows a good representation of it. We have small divots in here. We're going to remove them with the laser weld. We'll have to wire the hole and remachine that area back from weld. We're going to choose laser welding on this. It is removing this feature in the part, and we don't need to use all this because this would be expensive to weld all that. We're only going to use this little section that's needed, and that should make it work.